Enjoy in San Francisco bed and breakfast in the historic Mission District, near Castro. We offer spa tub rooms, garden cottage rooms and more. Book online today. Capturing the romantic spirit of the Victorian era, the Inn San Francisco invites you to be our guest and discover bed and breakfast comfort and hospitality with a warmth that is distinctly San Franciscan. Originally built on Mansion Row in the early 1870s, this historic 21 rooms Italianate Victorian San Francisco bed and breakfast inn was the home of John English, his wife, and their 7 children. The Inn San Francisco has been lovingly and thoughtfully restored to create an inviting ambience of past splendor and elegance. Classical music, antique furnitures, candlelight and the fragrance of roses set a mood that takes you back in time. A time enhanced by ornate woodwork, oriental carpets and the marble fireplaces. In the grand double parlors amidst the sparkle of stained and beveled glass, you will be treated to a generous breakfast buffet of fresh squeezed orange juice, fruits, home-baked breads, hard-cooked eggs, and may roast coffee or tea each morning. Pamper yourself in the hot tub in the lovely English garden surrounded by fresh flowers and soak yourself in the sun on the sun deck with a breathtaking 360-degree view of the city. The Inn San Francisco offers you a unique San Franciscan hospitality experience right in the heart of the Mission District. Tyler Woolley, Google+. In the past 2 months I have stayed here for business 3 different times. It is a really neat historic building with an unbelievable view of the city. The staff is top-notch, they make you feel very welcome and you understand why each of them says welcome home. They went out of their way to hold onto our bags when we could not make it back in time for checkout from the job site, even let us take a shower and clean up when we finally did arrive. Amazing people and an amazing place. I will definitely be back for a 4th time. Hopefully it will be for vacation instead. WP, Yelp. Just spent a week at ISF. Confession: I am a 25-plus-year veteran, and was newly re-amazed at the level of service and concern for me during my stay. Don M., Yelp. We just stayed in this magnificent B&B 2 nights, but it was a fantastic experience, like walking into a time warp. August 9, 2018, a TripAdvisor traveler. 2nd time at the inn. Business hours, every day 8:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. Close. Page down. Search. Forecast. Switch units. Nola Frenchy, Google+. A+ in all aspects of the perfect San Fran B&B: friendly, clean, Victorian, full breakfast in the 2 sitting rooms. Private garden, spacious, centrally located within the city, warm staff and the only place for us from here until forever.